So I have this Pro C that the customer wants to replace. The controller works absolutely fine, but they want to go Wi-Fi. So I see a lot of guys online, they'll only install Hydrawise units, which is fine. The reason why they only install Hydrawise is because they know it works. It's a guarantee. When they put it on the wall, they know it is going to work exactly as it should, and they're not going to get callbacks. However, Hydrawise is a professional controller. It is meant for contractors. It is meant for them to then sell an annual fee or a monthly fee where they monitor the wiring issues, the flow monitoring. There is so much stuff to add on to it, and it's very, very easy to keep track of all of your customers through it. However, not everybody wants a Hydrawise controller because it's an advanced controller. It is specialized. It is meant for your high-end user. So the idea is you want to talk to the customer. So we've already established that this customer wants a new controller. At this point, I like to carry two. I like to carry the Pro HC, and then I also like to carry the Rachio. Specifically, the new one, the Pro. And the reason why I like to do the Pro is, I'll show you later, the old ones used to have the quick connections. These ones actually have the proper screws. So it means that for a technician, when you're troubleshooting, it's a lot easier to use a multimeter. Now, the reason why we went for the Rachio and not for the Hydrawise is because I explained both products. This one's a professional one, which is aimed at contractors, and it is the best controller that you can install for residential, in my opinion. This one is meant for homeowners. It is simple. It does what it says on the tin. You won't have any issues. Every single Rachio that I have installed, I've never had any callbacks. I've never had any homeowner complain to me saying that it's too difficult, that they couldn't use it. It is a great controller. So my advice to you, if you're somebody that only installs Hydrawise, is take a look at the Rachio. Just buy one, set one up in your house, have a play with it, and you'll see how easy it is to use. I mean, the same goes for like the Orbit Wi-Fi controllers. I don't install them because my view of Orbit is it really is a homeowner brand. It is not a professional brand in the slightest, and I'm not going to install something that I'm not 100% confident about. But the Orbits clearly work because, again, every single customer that I talk to that has a Wi-Fi Orbit controller, they love it. They have got nothing bad to say about it. So I think really a lot of the contractors, you just need to get off your high horse and realize that there are other controllers, equally good controllers, or not necessarily equally good, but for the customer that you're dealing with, not everybody wants your Ferrari. Not everybody wants the Lamborghini. Some people are cool with a Fiat 500. I mean, if it works, why not just sell it to them? Give the customer what they want. So I've just finished installing this guy. Not gonna lie, connecting to the Wi-Fi, for some reason on my Android, it didn't want to work. But I've also had that issue with the X2s as well. So I have a feeling it's a setting on my Android phone as opposed to something being wrong with the controller. It connected. It didn't want to connect to the 2.4. But here's the thing. This controller will also connect to the 5G. So this guy connected immediately. And look at that, we've even got screws. So you can use your multimeter, you've got no problem troubleshooting, easy install, and a happy customer.